Did you know that sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater? That's right, these slow-moving creatures have some seriously surprising secrets. Stick around as we uncover 5 mind-blowing facts about sloths that lines make you see these adorable animals in a whole new light. Fact number 1, sloths are champion swimmers. Despite their reputation for being slow and lazy on land, sloths are actually incredibly agile in the water. Their long arms and unique bone structure allow them to move 3 times faster in water than on land. They can even hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, which is longer than some seals. This aquatic ability helps them cross rivers and escape predators, proving that sloths are far more capable than we give them credit for. Moving on to our second fascinating fact, sloths have an incredibly slow metabolism. In fact, it's so slow that it takes them up to a month to digest a single leaf. This sluggish digestive system is actually an evolutionary advantage. By taking so long to process their food, sloths can survive on very little, which is perfect for their low-energy lifestyle. It also means they only need to come down from their treetop homes to relieve themselves about once a week. Talk about efficiency. Our third sloth fact is sure to make you smile. Did you know that sloths are always grinning? It's true. Their facial structure gives them the appearance of having a permanent smile. But don't be fooled, this isn't because they're constantly happy. It's just the way their faces are shaped. However, this adorable feature has certainly contributed to their popularity and charm among humans. Fact number 4 might surprise you. Sloths are not actually lazy. Despite their reputation for being slow and inactive, sloths are simply energy efficient. Their slow movements and low metabolism are adaptations that help them conserve energy and survive in their forest habitats. In fact, sloths are active for about 10 hours a day, mostly at night. They're just doing everything at their own, leisurely pace. And for our fifth and final fact, sloths have an incredible grip. Their long, curved claws allow them to hang upside down from tree branches for hours on end without any effort. These claws can grow up to 4 inches long and are so strong that dead sloths have been found still clinging to tree branches. This powerful grip is essential for their treetop lifestyle and helps them stay safe from predators on the forest floor. But wait, there's more! Here's a bonus fact that'll blow your mind. Sloths are home to entire ecosystems. Their fur is specially grooved to allow algae to grow, which gives them their greenish tint and helps them blend in with their surroundings. This algae doesn't just provide camouflage. It's also a food source for various insects that live in the sloth's fur. Some of these insects are found nowhere else on Earth except in sloth fur. So the next time you see a sloth slowly making its way through the trees, remember that there's much more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. They're expert swimmers, energy-efficient survivors, and even mobile ecosystems. Sloths may be slow, but they're certainly not boring. From their incredible underwater abilities to their unique physical adaptations, sloths continue to surprise and delight scientists and animal lovers alike. These gentle creatures remind us that sometimes, taking things slow can be the key to success in the natural world. As we wrap up our journey through these 5 amazing sloth facts, let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of biodiversity. Sloths, with their peculiar traits and adaptations, are a perfect example of how evolution can create truly remarkable creatures. They've found their niche in the world and thrived, all while barely seeming to move a muscle. So the next time life feels like it's moving too fast, why not take a page out of the sloth's book? Slow down, hang out, and remember that sometimes the most interesting things in life are the ones that take their time. After all, if a sloth can swim faster than it can walk, who knows what hidden talents you might discover when you least expect it.